What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Doing something a little different for you guys today. Something that I hope that you guys could possibly use for your boats. I'm super excited to use this on my boat, but huge shout out to Better Boat. They are a company that supplies just about everything you need to keep your boat taken care of, whether it's trailering, washing, cleaning, just keeping your boat clean, shining. They have dock lines, everything. They have anything you can possibly think of to keep your boat clean, keep the upholstery clean, the outside of your boat as well. They also sell epoxy stuff. They're for saltwater and freshwater. They have salt cleaner, they have freshwater cleaner, just about everything you can think of. And today we're going to be mounting the trailing boat ratchet straps. I actually, Zeus, move. Zeus wanted to say hello. We're just dropping things, but these are actually pretty cool. I just have a small 14-foot Alumacraft, as you can see, little Alumacraft symbol there. But I usually just throw a big old ratchet strap over the side and call it a day. But these are pretty cool. They're very compact, very small. What's cool about these is they come with a mounting bracket to mount on your trailer, and you can pull them out, hook them onto the back of your boat, and press this simple button here, and it'll tighten those in. And no more cranking, getting the ratchet pinched or whatever it might be tangled up. These are super easy to use, and yeah, we're gonna mount them. So here we go. So obviously you're gonna need something on the back of your boat to hook onto. Now I'm gonna be running, I use this for a shallow anchor pole, just to anchor my boat, kind of like a power pole system. But we're gonna mount one on the opposite side here, and that's what we're gonna lock onto. But as for now, we just got the one, and so we'll be able to at least lock it down today to trailer it to the lake. But let's get it mounted on. The cool part about this this set, it already comes with the hardware that you need: washers, locking nuts, and the bolts. Here are the two brackets, and this will give you that right angle that you need to mount on your trailer to get those straps back to your boat. Something else you might need for this project: some type of drill with a drill bit and a ratchet set to kind of get those bolts nice and snug on your trailer. One of the perks of using Better Boat products is they're actually very affordable. These straps are only $55.99 for the set, which is very cheap in my opinion. I know there's definitely some brands up there that are much more expensive. Pretty solid. I don't see how these would wear out anytime soon. They seem like a very well-built product. So let's get started. Trying to just figure out where exactly I want to put these on my boat, and fortunately I already have some holes drilled on the crossbar of the frame of the trailer here, so I might just utilize what I have, and instead of drilling more holes in there. In most cases there probably won't be pre-drilled holes, but I'm gonna utilize what I have. So as you can see, I have already some holes that came on the trailer, so I'm gonna probably utilize those, and it should work out pretty good. That way I can mount this bracket in the direction that I want. Save some time. We'll just say that I drilled these holes already. You just use a metal bit to drill those holes, and we'll start with, you got your washer and your locking nut. Make sure to set those aside. And you're just going to want to try to find that angle that might do something like that. Like that. So I might mount mine like this. We'll just try it out, see how it looks. So we'll put the bolt in, and then the nut on the washer and the nut on the opposite side. So there is your washer and your nut on the opposite side. And this is going to be a 1/2 inch socket. And you'll either want a wrench, 1/2 inch wrench, or a pair of vice grips to hold on to one side. While you tighten the other side. So your next step, you're gonna wanna open this up so you can get into there. And I'm gonna use this as my bolt side, and I'm gonna mount it upwards like this. Kind of want this to sit at an angle rather than straight up. So I think I'm gonna change something around. Decided to flip my bracket around like so. And this way we can still mount it this direction. So got it all nice and snug on there. I think I'm just gonna use the one. It comes with 4 total, so you can, if you can use 2, I'd recommend it. I don't haul very far and my boat's not that heavy, so we're just gonna use the one. Now I'm going to find out what I did with my washer. This one like so. There we are. Everyone's boat's going to be different, everyone's trailer is going to be different, but this is, I think, how I want to do mine. Now, when I need to strap it up, I'll just reach back, pull this strap right onto that hook there, and then you'll go back down to your strap, hit that blue button, and now she's nice and snug. You'll hit that blue button, like I said, and then you do, I believe, once you do that, you give it a couple cranks like a normal ratchet strap to cinch her right down. So now you can see she's nice and cinched down and your boat's not going anywhere. Get the other side, got it bracket nice and snug. Now we'll go ahead and get the other one put on. go. Pull that straight out. Hook that on the back hook. Hit that button. There we go. And then we'll just give her a couple cranks. Now she's nice and snug, and my boat's not going anywhere. All right, there we are. Better look at it. And there are your straps. That's what it's gonna look like. So if you guys are interested in these straps, I'll link them down here, betterboat.com, and also in the description. Go check them out. They have tons of products that help take care of your boat, and these are pretty awesome. I'm excited to use them. Not have to worry about a ratchet strap throwing it over. These will always be on here, and yeah, I'm excited to use them. I'll obviously update you guys if something were to go wrong, and let you know if it's worth it or not in the long run. I'm constantly driving on dirt roads and driving miles to go fishing in my favorite spots, so definitely a person to put these to the test and see exactly how great they are. Thank you again, Better Boat. I really appreciate you guys sending me these, and we do have some more products to show you, but those will be in another video. Can't wait to show you guys, and get out and catch some fish.